So guys, magagawa tayo ng
Shake.
fruit shake.
Fruit shake.
Fruit shake. So, we need to do is some milk. Yan, milk. And first things we to do is milk first. Milk first.
Guys, dito tasty. May fruit shake fruit. Look at this. Like it there.
There you go. Make it.
Sarap siya.
I think.
Very
I think.
Hmm?
I think.
I think.
there.
And it's so healthy.
Then.
Then,
And
and
need this.
apple. And apple.
This
Apple.
apple
Banana.
here.
And banana.
go here.
Banana.
And some orange.
Banana.
And some banana.
Then you put some milk.
We need some sugar.
We need
Wait.
a tukal.
Sugar.
Uy,
Yan.
ano, suka yung milk. Yung milk, lagyan ko ng sugar yun.
Lagyan mo na.
Hmm.
So,
Guys, let it look tasty. Look, here
Add more
a
apples.
bubble.
and there. You can eat it. That's good.
Yeah.
And to
Look
do
at
is
this.
and done. Okay, so we're gonna blend it like this. Okay. Hello.
Hello. You work.
3, 2, 1. Wait. Sit, takip. I forgot this.
It
And
took
we're
Clary.
gonna- Yan na see. What's that? We need the ice.
Hindi niya kahit walang ice. Durog-durog na. Kung basa mo.
Guys, we are making this one.
Smoothie.
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 There.
Look, make you have
Will help you. Smoothie.
Smoothie.
Wait, who tangkad? I am tangkad for you.
So I'm gonna put apple.
Yeah, we are putting apple.
Guys, this is the smoothie. Look. There. Can you see? We're done at making smoothie, right?
Look, hey, look,
Look.
it took long. Oh, I'm
So
long.
there. So there. Let me taste.
Bruh, that is not.
Mm.
Mm.
I put some apple there. See?
Me too. I put some apple.
See? So
Look,
goodbye.
you cannot see.
So goodbye.
Goodbye.
Life begins after coffee. Bye-bye.